Okay, so we're back. I have my new Citadel paint, I have all the other paint, everything's organized, and that's weird for me, but hey, we're back. So, what am I going to do? Well, this time around, as I mentioned in the previous video, I hopefully remembered to upload before this one, Dark Rider Necropolis Warlord, and it's going to be the Skeleton Rider. So I'm going to go ahead and open this, and now I got to thinking about the whole situation with this miniature, and I thought, why don't I use paint, all the paint from the kit that I got, you know, learn how the Citadel paint works, and truth be told, I didn't really have a color scheme going into this. This is what I've come up with so far. I have to say the coverage is really good after like one or two coats, and it dries extremely quickly. There's no waiting for the paint to dry like with the Reaper where you're spending, you know, probably 5-10 minutes waiting for it to dry. Now, I was having the problem of it was trying to dry on my brush. It's just like, Now, I know that the arm and spear isn't on there yet, but we're getting there. I've been taking photographs like a madman, so you'll see things more done. This is not done. Not done. I'm going to explain why. Absolutely everything went smoothly with this. I haven't had a miniature go this smoothly in a very long while. However, there's some things that I want to do with this miniature. Okay, this video clip might look a little tastier because I realized, hey, wait a minute, my camcorder has settings that I remember all of a sudden. Oh yeah, I remember when I was living at my mom's place that I had to lower the settings because I couldn't upload high quality video. And then I remembered, oh yeah, I haven't changed that in probably 4 years. Hey, maybe I might want to do that now that my internet actually is capable of uploading faster. So, now that you might actually be able to see detail on this, this is the finished miniature. Oh, I can already tell that looks juicy on camera. I added details to the shield, I painted the miniature, I added flocking. Oh yeah, that looks so much better on camera. Yeah, okay, we're doing it like this from now on. So, the quick explanation of how we got from bleh to this is I used all of the Citadel paints from the kit, which was white scarf for the base, and then I used, obviously, Nighthaunt Gloom on the hooves, the mane, the shield and the lance, the wood parts of the lance to give it kind of an eldritch kind of look. And then for whatever reason I also decided to do the tail in that. I don't know why. There was a wash that I used. I went over the white with Reckland Flesh Shade. I don't know how to pronounce that. I apologize. Reckland Flesh Shade, which is what gave it this kind of orangish tone. I don't mind having that orangish tone on there because it gives it the look of, you know, like reanimated horse. But yeah, that's pretty much all the colors I used, other than I used the Lead Belcher That's Celesta Gray. I need Lead Belcher. Yeah, I used Lead Belcher base paint on the metal part of the face and this part down here on the thing there. And then I used Mournfang Brown for the leather parts. This is all Mournfang Brown right in through there. And these, I put the clips as Lead Belcher as well, now that I'm thinking about it. And you might be wondering, hold on. Don't know why that was on there, but okay. You might be wondering, what flocking did I use? Well, that was literally just these two, I'm pretty confident, was Steppe Grass, or Battlefield's Army Painter Steppe Grass, and Battlefield Rocks held on with clear PVA glue. Just regular old washable clear PVA glue. Probably not the best solution. I probably could have done better on that, but, you know, still learning, so, oh well. I mean, this will work just fine for all intents and purposes. And if you're wondering, gee, he sounds kind of off at the moment. Why does he sound so weird? I'm kind of sick at the moment, so bear with me. I'm doing the best I can. So yeah, that looks a lot better than, you know, the metal miniature, the boring old metal miniature I started out with. Now that being said, I realized that this part on here is supposed to be like a stirrup for his leg. I'm just not going back and fixing that. I don't feel like it. So I'm just going to leave that as is right now. I'll probably fix it, just not right this exact moment. I also added some kind of rune kind of thing going on the shield, just because, you know, I don't know what this is about, that clip there. I don't know what happened there, but it kind of works because, you know, actually, now that I think about it, I don't know what happened there. That doesn't make me very happy. But, you know, what can you do? I wonder if that's something that happened when it fell over and it probably chipped it is what happened. I don't know. Anyway, I'm probably going to have to invest in like a sealer for, you know, painting my miniatures. But for now, this miniature is done. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. And I plan on being able to start streaming soon to Twitch and YouTube, painting of miniatures. So thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.